Welcome to part 21 of our basic electrical engineering video series. Today, we delve into electromagnetism and Ampere's law, examining the relationship between current and magnetic fields. Electric current is the source of magnetic fields. We can use the right-hand rule to find the direction of the magnetic field. Magnetomotive force, or MMF, pushes the magnetic flux. The current I and the number of coil turns, N, generate this force. The magnetizing force H is mmf per unit length, calculated as H equals nitrogen monoiodide/L. The Biot-Savart Law helps calculate the magnetic field produced by a short wire segment, dl, resulting in a small magnetic field, dB. Integrating these small elements gives the total field. Ampere's Circuital law is used to evaluate the macroscopic magnetic field. The total work around a closed path equals the enclosed electrical current, as shown by the integral expression. Biot-Savart Law analyzes microscopic current elements and asymmetrical magnetic shapes. In contrast, Ampere's law analyzes macroscopic closed loops and calculates symmetrical magnetic shapes. A straight conductor produces concentric magnetic circles. The magnetic intensity, H, decreases as the distance, R, from the conductor increases, following the formula H equals I/2 pi r. Magnetic fields exert a mechanical force on conductors carrying current. This happens when the wire's field interacts with an external magnetic field, pushing the conductor. The force F on a current-carrying wire in a magnetic field is given by F equals BIL sine theta. Here, B is the flux density, I is the current, and L is the length of the wire in the field. Parallel conductors interact magnetically. If currents flow in the same direction, the overlapping magnetic fields attract the wires, described by the force formula shown. The mutual force between parallel conductors defines the global ampere. 1 ampere of current produces exactly 2 times 10 to the power of 7 newtons of force per meter between two wires 1 meter apart in a vacuum. Electromagnetism is crucial for industrial machinery. Magnetic forces drive electric motors and activate electrical safety relays, showcasing how electricity controls mechanical power. In summary, electric current I generates a magnetic field B, which is quantified by physical laws. This magnetic flux then creates a mechanical force,